Hey, what's happening, everybody? Hope everybody's doing good today, and gonna make a video today about taking a white oak log and turning it into an oak mantle. I had somebody call me this past week needing about a 5-foot mantle for a fireplace in a bedroom, more or less a decorative piece. I don't know that they're going to use the fireplace. It's probably an older house. So my gracious neighbor had a white oak log sitting over there, and asked him if I could trade something out for it, and so we worked it out. And but I didn't have, reason being is I didn't have any white oak sitting on the ground. We have some big stuff down here, but didn't want to use it for just a mantle. So he had some good stuff over here. This is it right here. I cut it in half, but I only need 5 feet out of it. But gonna do a 5-inch by 8-inch mantle, and this log's got a little bit of softness on top, but there's plenty of room to cut that away and get the mantle done. So yeah, it'll be a short video. I'm gonna put it up on the mill and get a 5-inch by 8-inch by 5 to 6 foot long mantle out of it. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Love the subscribers. If you're not one of my subscribers, click that button. All you do is get notified of new videos. I'm not going to harass you, but thanks again, and everybody have a great day. That looks pretty good, folks. It's at 5 1/4 by 9 1/8, and I think I'm gonna leave it that. I'm not going down to the 8-inch mark. I think aesthetically that extra inch is gonna help. It's gonna add more weight, but I think that turned out pretty good. That face right there is what I would use as the face of the mantle, because I think that looks cool. I'm gonna put some water on it and let y'all see it. That's without water, but I like that. That's gonna be cool. Oh, got the glare in there. Look at that. That's got some good character to it. That white oak just looks real good. That's one of my favorite woods. So I'm gonna cut it at 6 feet. That'll leave them room to square it up and do whatever they need to do to hang it. They only needed about 5 feet, so that'll give them a little extra. So let's lay it down and look at it. Yeah, I just think that's gonna look good. Well, good deal. One white oak mantle, and I hope they're satisfied with it. I like it. I'd love it. They wanted it rough, so there it is. One white oak rough mantle. Appreciate you guys watching. Hey, hit that like button. If you got a comment, you like white oak, leave me a comment and tell me what you think. What's your favorite wood? I love to cut white oak because it smells good. It's good for furniture. It's good for firewood. It burns great, and for smoking meat. If you got a smoker, white oak is one of the best woods to stick in there. So, but anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all have a great day.